Welcome to Simpro and Connexol's partnership program. Connexol was designed to connect Simpro to your customers' third-party software such as Ecotrak, Service Channel, Corrigo, and more. Gone are the days of double entry for notes, attachments, status updates, and other actions, as well as your field personnel having to utilize multiple applications in the field. Connexol will help you limit the number of phone calls, email, and text you receive from your customers looking for updates on work orders, since all the information will be in their software for instant review. Connexol helps you recapture the lost time and saves you money. No programming or additional software applications required. Connexol's easy-to-use portal will walk you through the implementation process. This video will demonstrate the functionality of Connexol's portal and how to configure. We're looking forward to helping you focus on the growth of your business. Time to get started. Go to connexol.com and in the top right corner, click Get Started. And complete the sign-up page here. Once you've completed this sign-up page, all the information, click Sign Up. To complete the sign-up process, you need to verify your email address. Go to your email box and locate an email from Connexol and select the Verify My Email Address button or the URL below. Select Continue here as your email address has been verified, and enter your email address and your password to continue. Now that you've logged in, on the left-hand side, you'll see a few menu items that we'll discuss later. But we're going to go ahead and get started. So select Let's Get Started. And here we're going to select Learn More for Simpro. Up on the top, a little bit about Simpro, how to connect to Simpro, available actions for Simpro, contact information for Simpro, and our pricing structure. Let's get started. The information box is letting you know you need to add a payment method. Click OK. Here you can put in a credit card or bank information. For purposes here, we're going to just use a credit card. Enter your information and click Start Trial. Now that the credit card has been added, we're ready to configure Simpro. We're going to need a few items. The company build name. So if you notice in your URL, you have a company build name of Bubba's Plumbing in this case, and then the domain name of simprosuite.com. So Bubba's Plumbing will go here and select simprosuite.com and continue. Here you want to confirm that you want to grant Connexol access to your Simpro account so that we can move data on your behalf. Most users of Simpro have a single company build and would never see this page. However, if you have a multi-company build, then this page will allow you to select the company you would like your Connexol account to work against. We are now ready to add a connection. Select Add Connection. We've got Ecotrak and Service Channel. We're going to do Ecotrak. Select Learn More. Here you see a little bit about Ecotrak, how to connect, available actions, contact information, and pricing information for Ecotrak. Select Get Started. And your subscription has been added. Select OK. Let's assume you've added Ecotrak, configured the credentials, and we're now ready to add an action. Currently 3 available actions for Ecotrak. Let's learn more about update status. Update status, description of what the process does, how to add it, the pricing. Let's add the subscription, get started. Click OK to add the subscription. Now that you've added update status action, let's configure. Here's where we map the statuses in Simpro to the statuses in Ecotrak. Note, there may be statuses in either Simpro or Ecotrak that are not in use. You may find it advantageous to add a few statuses in Simpro, then map to Ecotrak, as they may provide your customers with better information and mitigate customer emails and phone calls for updates. We've added a few statuses here. Let's save those. Let's assume you've added the action Notes to Ecotrak. We're going to add an additional action called Attachments. Select Learn More. A bit about sending attachments for Ecotrak. How to add, pricing structure, and get started. Now that the action has been added, select OK. Let's add a connection. We've already added Ecotrak, so let's add Service Channel. Learn more. A bit about Service Channel, how to connect, available actions, contact information, pricing structure, and get started. Your subscription has been added, select OK, and you will see that Service Channel has been added. Let's assume we've added actions, notes, attachments, and status to the Service Channel connection. We need to map the corresponding Simpro statuses to the appropriate Service Channel statuses. Service Channel also has an additional configuration option to map Simpro statuses to check-in and/or check-out. Once you have mapped the statuses, save the configuration. For this demonstration, we have created two customers in Simpro for testing the newly added actions, Ecotrak Connects All and Service Channel Connects All. For each customer you wish to utilize Connects All, you will need to open the customer record, select the Custom tab, where you will find a drop-down field called Connects All Third Party. As you subscribe to different third-party connections, they will be added to this drop-down list. Select a proper third party for this customer. We have created a test job for this customer. During this process, select Settings. You will need to enter the corresponding work order number from your customer's third party, in this case Ecotrak. This number is required as it maps the Simpro job to the Ecotrak work order. Let's add a note to this job. In the activity screen, select Add Note. We will add a subject and a note. To send this to your customer's third party, check the Customer box and save. Now that we added the note to Simpro, let's look in Ecotrak. And here you will see the notes that we added through Simpro. Let's go back to Simpro to the same job, and we're going to add an attachment. Drop the attachment, and then we'll select Public, which will then allow it to be saved to Ecotrak. Let's go back over to Ecotrak, to Attachments, and here we'll see the attachment that was saved in Simpro. We will be switching customers to demonstrate that based on this customer, we are now updating a Service Channel work order through Simpro. Select Settings and note the order number field contains the corresponding work order for Service Channel. Based on our mapping configuration within Connects All, update the status and then click Save. Looking at Service Channel, the work order matches the order number in Simpro, and the status shows updated through Simpro. In our Connects All mapping, we also slated this status to check in the technician. Back to the Connects All site, let's review the additional menu items. In Account, this is where you'll see all of your subscriptions, the monthly obligations, any outstanding bills, and the abilities to cancel any of these subscriptions. Selecting Logs, we'll be able to look up a job ID or a work order ID, and you'll see what the actions were, whether it was attachments, notes, status, and we'll also show the success or failures along with timestamps. Thank you for taking the time to review our demonstration. We're looking forward to the mutual partnership and adding value to both Simpro and its customers, and providing yet another reason for its customers to love Simpro.